Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desire. So today I'm here with one more video with you guys, and this video is all about my haul, my clothing haul. As you all know that haul series is going on my channel, so today I'm here with one more haul for you guys, and this haul is from LimeRoad. Yeah, so this is the poly bag that they sent me and gave my all the clothes in packed in this beautifully. So yeah, this is the limeroad.com poly bag, as you can see, and yeah, as you can see, is my favorite word or phrase, whatever you want to say. So yeah, it comes like in this poly bag, and it is written love, create, share, shop. So yeah, it is a poly bag, green in color. And then come to my products. So what I bought from there are three dresses for me, as you all know, and as you have already seen me wearing those dresses in my Singapore Malaysian tour. So yeah, I want to share it with you what I bought from there. So first dress I want to show you is this. Yeah, so this is the black dress, as you can see, and it goes like this. The length is so long, although I did not want to wear this length of dress, but you know it gave they gave me this length of the dress, so I have to alter it and make it up to my size. Actually, I want to wear it above my knees, so I just got it altered. So yeah, it is the dress by black in color. uh, it is very simple, and the cloth is also good. We cannot complain about the it's this product, this quality. But and they have given me this jacket. I mean, I have seen one jacket over its this dress. So this jacket is like this. As you can see, it is open from here, and the sleeves are these type, and the collar is Nehru collar, or the stand collar. Collar is like this, and it buttons up like this from the back. And if you want to wear it like this, you know front open, you can also wear it front open. Or if you want to keep this thing at back, so you can also keep this thing at back. So this jacket length up to my waist, so it goes up on this black dress. And you have seen me wearing this on my vlog channel. Yeah, so I have wore it on my, one of my event also, but I have not uploaded that pic for you guys. I forgot. So yeah, it is the dress that I bought from LimeRoad. Actually, the quality that I expected was so much good, but it is not that good quality. Actually, the quality of this black cover is very good, but the quality of this shrug or jacket, whatever you wanna call it, is not that good. So what do we can say? I have not returned it to them. I just kept it because it is so fuzzy to return the products and then repurchase any other product, and then the size issue comes again and again, so I just kept it. And I thought it is better to alter the dress, rather than repurchasing it and again, trapping in the that sizing issue. So I just kept this dress. So it is my first dress, and the second dress I want to show you is this. Yeah, so this is the second dress. This is a red color dress. As you can see, the neck is like this, and it has some these design over here. So it looks very pretty after wearing, and it is of net, so lace dress it is. So it is the lace going on all through the dress. So the thing I like the most about it, that it has one lining attached inside, so I do not have to purchase any other liner for it. So the liner is given, attached inside. So, and the other thing what I like about is this, because it does not have that deep lining. The lining is from that size only, and you do not have to wear any other lining to cover up your body. So it is a very good thing, and the material is also good. I cannot complain about the material, because it is not that renowned brand. It is the product from, I don't know how to call this brand. Yeah, you can read the brand itself. It is from this brand. I also want to tell you that I have ordered them L size, but they have sent me this XL size, so I have also got it altered and all the things. So LimeRoad purchasing was not so good for me because of the sizing issues and some of the materials issues. Otherwise, it was a good thing. Yes, so last dress I have bought from here. There is, I want to show it to you guys. Yeah, so this is the another dress that I have purchased from there. It actually, this is the high-low dress. Hopefully you can see it. This is the high-low dress, and it comes up to your knees from this side, and from the back side it goes up to this length, your feet touch your feet. So this is a very good dress, nice dress. I like its style, so I just purchased it. It has one elastic kind of thing over here, and it comes up just upper your waist. It does not come up exactly on your waist. It just up this side. So yeah, I know you can understand this thing. So yeah, it's a chiffon material, and I like this dress so much, so I just picked it up. So these were my 3 dresses that I purchased from limeroad.com, and I will link all the, if the dresses are available this time also, I will link all the dresses in the description part below, so that you can check it out. And sorry for the prices, I forgot the prices for all the. Guys, it was my haul video from limeroad.com. It was my clothing that I purchased from limeroad.com. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe button over there, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and other social media. So bye guys, stay tuned till then and stay beautiful. Bye, see ya.